So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software. So in this video we're going to discuss how you can adjust the speed of the video in timeline of the Premiere Pro software, or you can see how you can speed ramp the video in Premiere Pro software. So just simply open the Premiere Pro software and add the video you want to edit while opening a project, and then when you add the video to the timeline you want to edit, sequence will be created. Now to add, like if I want to make the speed of this video faster, you can see currently it is a normal video. Now to make it faster, it is of 17 seconds, you can see just right there. Now to make it faster, all you have to do is to simply right click on the video, and then you will see an option of speed and duration, you can see just right there. You can click there and now a small window will pop right in front of you, from where you can adjust the speed of the video. Currently it is set on the normal mode, which is 100% speed. Now if I want to make this video faster, all I have to do is to just simply, I have two methods. Like if I want to change the speed by this percent method, I can simply stretch this to more percentage, or you can simply add make the duration as per your convenience from this panel, where you can see the timing of the video. You can simply write, like if I want to make this video of 7 seconds, I just simply write 7, and this video has been now 7 seconds. You can see it's just made to 7 seconds, and its speed has been much faster. If I want to check the speed, I'll go to simply speed duration, and now the video has been in its efficiency of 200%, like more than 200%. So by this method you can increase the speed of the video you want to edit on Premiere Pro timeline. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials of Premiere Pro software. See you in the next one. Take care.